Hi there, I'm Andrea Muniáin. I'm an architect and a visual artist, and I've been working quite a lot between the relationships of corporality, digitality, and physicality. Whether if you want to create some digital art, if you want to rethink how tech affects society, or you want to lead some creative projects, this master gives you the tools and makes sure you understand why these tools matter. We combine art, technology, and design because we truly think that today's challenge needs all the three. So you'll learn the how by mastering all those technical skills alongside the why by introducing and questioning with this critical perspective. For example, a VR project isn't just about coding, it's also about understanding who gets to use this technology and what stories might be told within these formats. We understand new media change so fast, that's why we update every year our tools and workshops to include other AI emerging technologies. We also bring in working professionals to understand and to share with us all their thoughts about the environment, and we focus on versatile skills rather on temporary trends that are really common in the digital environment. If you have a background in design, arts, architecture, film, or even technological approach, and you have a curiosity to work with technology, I think this is your spot. What really matters for us is that you have a truly willing to work with technology and this critical perspective. Our students can get into really exciting roles like developing interactive installations for museums or cultural space, designing XR productions for film or entertainment, leading creative productions for applications, video game, digital experiences, or even getting into technical productions that requires these skills that the master offers. The program prepares you to shape the future of digital culture across a lot of fields with the combination of a critical perspective and a technical skill mastering.